Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Fanisic Mini Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, a small but powerful cleaning gadget that's perfect for your car, home, and office. If you need a handy tool for quick cleanups, stick around to see what this one can do. The Fanisic Mini Vacuum is more than just a vacuum. It's a 3-in-1 device. It functions as a vacuum cleaner, an air blower, and a hand pump. Whether you're cleaning dust from tight spaces, blowing debris off delicate surfaces, or inflating small inflatables, this tool is designed for convenience. With a weight of just 400 grams, it's lightweight and easy to use. The cordless design and one-button operation make it effortless to maneuver, making it ideal for keyboards, car interiors, sofa crevices, and more. No more struggling with bulky vacuums. The 8,000 Pascal suction power provides strong performance, easily lifting dust, pet hair, and food crumbs. It comes with 5 different attachments, including an extended nozzle and brush, to handle a variety of cleaning needs. Plus, it charges in under 2 hours via USB-C and offers